I remember when this haircut first came out and had a client that wanted it exactly like this, but I could never get it to stack that much in the back because I was taught that if I want to graduate hair, I have to cut it at 45 degrees. And then if I cut hair at 90, I would be layering the hair, so I couldn't dare do that, so I didn't know how to get it higher. What I found was that if I cut hair at 45 degrees from a vertical plane, it actually doesn't fall into a 45. It's more like a 25-degree fall. And then if I cut hair at 90 degrees from the head shape, it will actually fall into a 45. And so that totally blew my mind. So in order to get the shape I want, I have to hold the hair higher than what I want it to fall into. So in this video, I am cutting a inverted bob, and I'm on one side of the head, this side of the head. I'm cutting at 45 from head shape. And here you can see what I ended up with on that side. Now on this side, I'm cutting the hair at 90 degrees from head shape. Using the Head Shape Matters technique, working around the head to create an inverted bob using 90 degrees. You can see how much more that stacks the hair. So I teach a online training course called Head Shape Matters. And in this course, we have a chart. I have a pattern in this, and it tells you if I'm on a vertical plane, the hair is 6 inches or longer, and I cut that section of hair at 90 degrees, it will actually fall into a 45, just like we saw in this video. And then if I am on a vertical plane 6 inches or longer and I cut it at 45, it's actually going to fall into a 25, which we also saw. So in this last class, I had the students cut one side of the mannequin using 45 on one side, 90 on the other, so they could see the differences in how hair falls. So that's just two different cutting angles that we used in class. But these pictures I'm showing you, some are cut at 0, some are cut at 45, some are cut at 75, some are cut at 90, some are cutting at 105 or 120 degree cutting angles. And everything gives you a different shape. Each of these cuts were cut using Head Shape Matters cutting system. If you'd like to learn more, please visit headshapematters.com.